Got a new toy. It's a Stihl FS56 RC. It's a light duty weed eater. I think it'll do alright. We have a 90 series out at the farm. I just wanted something light, easy to carry out at the farm. Didn't have to keep switching. Have a nice weed eater. Right here is where you have your choke. So pretty much you pull this up for full choke. Once you pull the trigger, it will go to the half choke and run. Simple, easy start. Did a little bit of weed eating for it. Here is where you feel it up. Here's where you pull the cord. Here is where you stop it. Here is the trigger. Very, very simple design for a weed eater. Love this thing. That is the FX56 RC. I think it'll do alright. The last Stihl we had lasted us about 20 years. So definitely a great little weed eater right here. I'd highly recommend any of the Stihl products if you want something that'll last a long time. Just kind of a size comparison. It's lightweight, one arm, lift her up. Great weed eater right here. I think we paid $200 for it. So go on to your down to your Stihl dealership and definitely pick one of these up, especially if you're into Stihl. I would highly recommend them. They start up always, last 20 years. Great product.